Hello. So here is a little bit more detailed tour of the Prius. I'm not going to go into every little compartment. I think that gets a little tedious. I'll probably make a video on each little system that I have. But this is basically how it looks. We just have 3 pillows. I got them underneath here so Bella doesn't get them dirty. And basically driving mode is the same as sleeping mode, except for Bella's bed goes in the front. So in the cubbies we have a backpack and a fan. And this is a water dispenser with just tap water for cleaning up or whatever. Say hi, Bella. So while we're driving, we've got a little bit of water in Bella's dish. We got her bed and she gets hooked up here. Underneath here we have a water pitcher filter. Right here in its box we got hygiene items, and back there is you can't really see it, is 2 bags of dry goods. And there's the front. That's just my journals and planner. It's a spray bottle. This is a bottle that we spit in, and sunblock and bug spray. On this side we have a big cooler. I did order a 12-volt refrigerator, but it isn't here yet. It should actually be a little bit smaller than that and lower. This is kind of a pain to get in and out. We have to move the mattress. Well, we have to lift the mattress up and pull the seat forward. One thing I was trying to do with this setup is just not have to move things around too much. And because of the cargo box, we're able to do that. So on the headrest, I have some headlamps. And this is just a little pouch that Doug can throw his keys and all that in when he goes to bed. This is just the front. Another spit bottle for when we brush our teeth. And some antibacterial wipes. I have these just little pouches, nail file, and miscellaneous stuff. I have a rug, so I have like a pee container, so we can put that down on the seat if I need to go in the car, which I don't usually, but just in case. Protects the seat. I just got this Bluetooth speaker because my speakers don't work. They stopped working years ago. And a magnetic light. Here we have a cargo net. I just have some window covers, some bags, shopping bags and stuff in there. I don't want it to get too low where I can't see, so I don't have much in there. But I like this net because you can tighten it up so that it keeps it from drooping too much. We have this piece of dry erase board that we can pull out to have a little bit of a surface, but it's kind of wobbly. So probably the better thing is I can just put it up here. I don't know, I may not keep that. In the basement we just have some games, some little repair items, butane because I don't want to keep it in the cargo box. No, air inflator. And a little camp shower. I'll show you that another time. And we'll probably just throw our laundry down here. Underneath the basement where the spare tire is, we've got some miscellaneous mechanic tools, and the privacy tent, which is a big circle, fits right on top, which is perfect. So the star of the show really though is this cargo box. It just makes it so we can keep it so much neater inside. We have everything we need for a campsite. We got our clothes up there, the kitchen toolbox, everything for a campfire. We got a couple bags for the beach, my sneakers. Extra supplies, Bella's bed. Everything extra just fits up there. Alright, so I will make more videos on each little system and how I got it organized. That's kind of my specialty. I love to just figure out the best way to organize things. So this was just a quick little tour. Thanks for watching.